people, my name is Justus and welcome to this tutorial in which today I'll show you step by step how to connect your WhatsApp on your phone to your computer using the WhatsApp web, or if you have downloaded the WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. Welcome.
Step 1.
On your computer, open your browser of your choice. In this case, I'm using Chrome, and go to the search bar. Type the address web.whatsapp.com and wait for it to load. After it loads, you'll see this landing page in which there's a QR code being displayed, and it will ask you to scan so that you can log in. You can see the steps have been provided here for us. How to scan to log in, step 1, step 2, and step 3.
Step 2. Open WhatsApp on your phone.
Now pick up your phone and open your WhatsApp. If you are using Android, tap on the 3 dots up here at the top right. If you are using an iPhone, go to the settings. From there, select linked devices. You see the 3 dots up here. Click on them. It will open a drop-down menu. You can see the drop-down menu has several items: new group, new broadcast, linked devices, starred, read all, and settings. So you tap on link a device. Your phone camera will open, ready to scan the QR code. So simply point your phone at the QR code on your computer screen, and within seconds your WhatsApp will connect and load instantly on your PC. Give it some few seconds for it to load so that it synchronizes the messages and settings on your PC. Now you can send and receive messages directly from your computer. Everything is fully synchronized with your phone and in real time. You can edit, access messages, reply to reports, and even share messages and pictures and documents using the PC. Now you can still have the same user experience if you don't want to use WhatsApp web on the browser by downloading the native app, WhatsApp app, from the Microsoft Play Store. So step 1, open your Microsoft Play Store, this icon here, click to open. Once it loads, go to the search bar and type WhatsApp. Click to select WhatsApp, like I've done. Give it a few seconds to load. Now, if this is your first time, you have not downloaded, you'll be provided with a link to download it. But since I've downloaded it, that's what you're seeing. It's asking me to open, so I'll click to open, and then the app will load. Now, once the app loads, the first time it will tell you welcome to WhatsApp, and click on login, the same way you did the other way around. Now this screen, you'll be taken to this landing page where you'll be asked to log in to WhatsApp, and you use the similar procedure like the one we did by opening your phone and going to the menu. Tap on the WhatsApp again, tap on link a device, agree to use mobile data, and then that camera will open up and then scan the QR code. Once it logs in, you'll be able to access your messages and your pictures and all other data on your PC with your phone. And that's how easy is it. I am Justus. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Adios, amigos.